What's up, YouTubers? It's Beyblade Explosion. Today I'm going to do an epic bay hunt. Mom's working. Sorry about that. I just talked to my mom. Today we're going to do an epic bay hunting video. I have like $21, so I will be getting one bay wheel or one Beyblade. So yeah. Anyway, yeah. So I'm still in the car, but we are actually already here. So yeah, let's go and do the bay hunting video. We will be doing a couple of stops. We're going to be doing a little bit of stops. We might get a couple of things before we do the Beyblade, so it'll be a while. But whatever, hang in there. Or whatever. So yeah, we're going doing it at Target. Anyway. So luckily I'm not using the actual camera. I never really use it in bay hunting videos because I don't really look good on the camera because it's too big. Anyway, so yeah, we're going to do the Target. Anyway, I just had to pretend my hands on me. And whatever. Yeah, so, yeah. How long is it going to be? Okay. Alright, so Target. Yeah. Anyway, here we're going to Target. We're going to Target and straight to the Beyblade. So we were going straight to the Beyblades for just a quick sec. Whatever. Okay, so going down the aisle. Oh, Mom, you still have that well. Can you close down in science? Alright, finally here we are. So yeah. Anyway, here's what they got. These things are cool. Oh, these like new Metal Fury things that I never find. Toxic Scorpio, String Pegasus. Oh, now they're just regular prices now. Actually, now these things are so expensive now. Now all this is expensive. Oh, so I have B-Links. They have B-Links. They're so awesome. Scorpio. Like, no matter what Target I go to now, no matter what Target I go to, they only have, all they have is things that I already have. If Metal Masters tops, so like all I can really get now is Metal Fury. It's weird. Oh, so lucky. AJ Jupiter. AJ Jupiter. Awesome. I might not have to get that if I get a nut. Just be buying another Beyblade for no reason. Ice Column Store Dome. Oh, a stand. It's V39. Anyway. Tornadoes, only way has tornado soda. Like every single party I go to, that land really only has tornado soda, no price, so I do not know what that is. Crisis, that is Beyblade Studio, really skill. Right there. Spike Gas Striker. Soaring Pegasus. Raging Molten Fire Blaze. Venom Bite Serpent, Nervy Skill. So there's like no Beyblades that are really no Metal Masters tops. Well, only double packs of Metal Masters now. Really, guess what? I had to get one Beyblade. Since there's like no, there's only military now. Now that there's only Metal Fury, I'm just gonna have to get one Beyblade. So anyway, yeah. Or I can get a double pack of the Solid Showdown again, since I cannot find that Lacerda stickers, a different kind, because I put them on. Anyway, yeah, yeah. Might be a while, not too long, but anyway, I now have enough money to buy double packs because guess what? I have not enough money. I have exactly $21, pretty much. Wait, where's my wallet? I don't know how much I have. I don't know how much I have. Got this set. $11 into that. And how many do I have? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 11, I have $22 actually, but that's still not enough to pay for one double pack. Anyway, so I'll just get one. Sorry if this is taking too long. Anyway, so going right, yeah. Nothing really here except for Baby's Metal Fury. Now I can never really find that stuff anymore, but I can get a Snow Tower or an Electro Top. Nah. Here. The Scoundrel's Giants over there. Oh, Mom! Scoundrel's Giants are out! And there's the starter pack. It's right there for Xbox too. I told you Scoundrel's Giants was going to come out. I told you they're going to come out. And David already has them. Some people already have them. David Chin. Sorry about that. There's like all these Beyblades I don't even have, so yeah. I've wanted Soaring Wing Pegasus. I do not know about it. Man, where's Doomfire Drago? Like, there's never Doomfire Drago anywhere. No matter what target I go to, Doomfire Drago's not there. Like, what the heck? Like, what is going on? Like, Doomfire Drago's never where I want to find them. Anyway, yeah. If I get 2 Metal Fury tops, it'll be exactly 22 actually. Yeah, I'll get 2 Beyblades. Yeah, I'll get 2 Beyblades. Jade Jupiter, so that'll be $11. I've got $11 left over. And what else? Where's Beat Links? I'm gonna find Beat Links. I want Beat Links. Where's Beat Links? Oh yeah, he's 14, so I can't buy him. Oh, he's right here. There he is. 11. Alright. So yeah, this should be it. Yeah, I'm not sure about Figgies actually. Alright, so I'm getting Very Aries and J Jupiter. So yeah. Thank you for watching this video. Watch the next video on Beyblade Explosion. Explode on.